How to get Adobe Creative Cloud student discount step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll teach you on how to do that in simple, easy steps. Now to do that, just search for Adobe Cloud Creative Student. After that, just click this link, the second one. And now that we are here, just go ahead and click View Plans and Pricing. After that, you can see the discount already from 59.99 to 19.99. So just click on that plan and whatever you like. So just choose from the both and click continue. After clicking that, you'll be redirected here and just select whatever you want. But for now, I'll select the two and just press continue. And now you have to select or enter your payment method. You can have it from PayPal or credit card. So just click your preferred payment method, and after filling it out, you'll be able to get the discount. And that's how you get Adobe Creative Cloud Student discount. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.